Monday, February 4th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated for 30 seconds of silence.
Today's lunch choices are cheeseburger, cheese pizza, and the Growing Grab. And your sides are fiesta beans, sweet corn, fresh pear, and milk.
Boys soccer team tryout starts on Monday.
You must have your physical packet completed.
Tryouts will be February 4th, 5th, and 7th after school. You must attend all 3 days.
Go to Molosky.org for more information and see Mrs. Souza in room 728 or Mrs. Luke in 828 if you have any questions.
Boys and girls, if you are interested in playing volleyball for the Mulaski team, please stop by the gym during your lunch.
Do you like gaming?
Do you enjoy a little friendly competition while playing Super Smash Brothers?
Come to room 730 today to hang out and play against your friends.
Any game that can be played on your Chromebook and is rated E to T is allowed.
If you are absent, a note is required following an absence. Absent notes must be turned in before school to the dean's office. In order to excuse your absence, you must turn the note in no later than 3 days after you return from your absence. Absence notes should include student name, student number and grade, dates and reason for absences, parent signature, and home telephone number.
Thank you.